In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Form banner just like so. This header that you can create and attach. I'm going to show you how to create it with Canva and upload it for your form to look much more professional like this. So you can open your Canva, make sure you log in, and you can be on your designs over here. You can just go ahead and search for Google Form banner, and it is going to show you the templates. You can be on my design, or you can come to templates, and it is going to showcase the sample Google Form banners. You can see a lot of them. So you just select one and then you can customize it accordingly. Okay, these are sample other ones that you can use. Let's say I'm going with the first option. I can just go ahead and say customize this template, and you can change the text. You can edit the photo as well, and you can change even the banner coloration. You can change accordingly. Okay, just by selecting, you can change the text. All right, you can change, and even the picture, you can change it. So let's say I have this picture of mine that I can just upload. Let's say I have this image, I can just drag and it's going to override this one. So I can double click to recenter it. All right. So once you have it like this, you can just go ahead and export it. Come to share. You can come to download and you say in PNG and just download. And this is going to download that banner for you. Now let's go back to the form so I can show you how to upload it. You can come over here, come to this customize theme. You can click and then you can upload it in here. This is header. Okay, you can go to uploads and you can go to browse and you'll be able to see it over here. The header, you can click and then it's going to upload it. You can crop and you can say done. And once you say done, it is going to be added to your Google form, just like so. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.